Gauteng High Court in Johannesburg has declared the city's controversial VIP protection policy unconstitutional and invalid. In its current form, the policy allows for 10 bodyguards for the mayor, 8 for the speaker, and as many as 5 for other members of the mayoral committee and committee chairs. DA Johannesburg caucus leader Belinda Kayser-Echeozonjoku says the DA raised their concerns inside the council and cautioned that the policy violates the constitutional upper limits.
When we raised this initially in council, we had requested for the city and the officials to provide the threat risk analysis, firstly. And secondly, we have also requested them to provide us with proof that they have indeed requested for the threat risk analysis to be done in case there was some sort of delay. None of these were provided, and I think the judge has been more than fair and actually being quite gracious, giving the city additional time to provide for that threat risk analysis, to either be providing it in case it happened in between the 15th of November and now. But also, Fundo, I don't believe that the city would be able to provide that, because from February 2024, they were given an opportunity to provide this prior to us even taking it to court. And we've even taken 2 months, from March when this was passed in council up to May when we first served them with papers. None of these were given. They also haven't provided it in court. So we're not holding our breath that they are going to be able to provide this. But we understand, obviously we over a period where people are in recess at the same time, and also because of what you're mentioning, that there's circumstances. So we understand it, but we're not holding our breath, because we don't believe there's any intention for the city to comply with the rule of law, given the opportunities they were given to comply. It's quite unfortunate that there is still people who have that view that proper process have been taken, because clearly proper process has not been taken. And politics and any policy of any sphere of government cannot override the Constitution. And the fact that this policy itself, not only if I haven't even gone into the details of what the concerns we had with the policy itself, but the fact that the policy that was brought to council, firstly, they've already deployed VIP protection without even providing proof that they have done the threat risk analysis. Secondly, the fact that they have gone beyond what is allowed in the constitutional upper limits that deals with the tools of trade for public office bearers. It's unfortunate if people still think that politics and numbers is what getting us here. This is an issue of governance, and the fact that the Constitution provides for things to be done properly. Also, policy provides for the things to be done properly. It cannot be that politicians are using their numbers, their numerical advantage, to steamroll decisions that are unlawful, unconstitutional, and invalid through council. And if it is correct, then it should not be able to be challenged in court.